Alright, what's up guys? Just put it on this med. Today is the 1st. I am going back on the bike. Or back on a bike. Well, not really back on a bike, but today the 1st I'm going riding to work since the accident. For this. So, see bike there. Ready and thing for go. So I start him up and make him warm up. Easy start up. Put on them gloves there so my fingers don't freeze. These are actually mechanic gloves. So we got smoke because the muffler, I spray the muffler so like the smoke will come off of there. So I'm kinda nervous and I'm kinda excited at the same time. Because I haven't ridden to work. That's how I make the bike get a little warm up. Yo, I'm not like, I'm nervous, I'm excited at the same time, brother, cause it's been a while. Haven't ridden this bike for like, what, 6 months? Haven't ridden this bike for a long time, yo. I already test rode the bike yesterday, Sunday, so today is Monday. I already test rode the bike, made sure that everything was good. Get a 2 minutes or so for warm up, 2-3 minutes. Straddle my foot over. Make sure my brakes are working. Front brake is up. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm a bit nervous. Here we go. It feels weird to be back out here. Forgot how good this bike feels, yo. No matter the fact that it ain't got no shocks, feels very good. 10 times better than the Yamaha I was riding, than the Jamco I was riding. 10 times better. Oh my god, traffic, bro. I didn't miss it. My god. because it feels so damn good to be back on my bike, or on a bike should I say. You see me? But it feels better to be back on my original bike. It feels damn good, bro. This bike rides so nice. Oh, sheesh! Rides nice even though it's not riding nice. That makes any sense. I'm gonna take a different route this morning. A route that I've never really taken on camera before. But it's approximately what time? It's like after 6 in the morning. Whew. I'm just taking my time because at this stage where you just come back a road. I'm going that's the first gear. Yeah, at this stage where I'm just come back a road, I'm not really going to like be going hard on them thing there, you know, just smooth and get from point A to point B. You see me? Just go and like get myself accustomed back to the road. Cause it's been like, it's the first week of December would make 1 month since the accident. So it's like, oh, my microphone dropped out. Yeah guys, so the first week of December would have made 2 months since the accident. So it's been like a month and 4 weeks, or a month and 3 weeks. So this week would have made 4 weeks. The ending of this week would have made 4 weeks since the accident. So I'm not doing anything extravagant. I'm just taking my time, getting myself here, getting myself there. Guys, as I mentioned, it feels damn good to be back on a bike. I'm not gonna lie, the bus system, I couldn't manage the bus system. Like, me get ride for go work a morning time, somebody drop me go work a morning time, but you see like in the evenings with the bus system, we can't manage the bus system at evening time. Can't manage the bus system at evening time style. So that's why I say, you know what? I'm just gonna come back a road. As soon as my foot was able to, then I did. My foot has been out the cast for about 3 weeks now. So yeah, it's about time now, man. Come back a road. And guys, no, I don't know why some persons think that because we meet in an accident, I go stop ride bike. I always tell myself that no accident will ever stop me from riding a bike. There's this person that I follow on Instagram. I think his name is Mr. Titanium or something like that. Titanium. He got hit off his bike. I think it was a hit and run, I don't remember. But he lost a leg. And him did mash up bad. You see me? He mash up bad. He did mash up bad, and the bike when him crash off, him fixed it up back and gone back a road. Yeah, him fixed it up back and gone back a road. So it's your mentality. You see, like the true bike riders, they'll never stop riding. They might not ride every day, but they'll never stop, bro, no matter what. A broken foot, a broken hand, your leg get amputated, your hand get amputated, you understand? What degree will it, what I go gain you if you stop do something you love? Tell me. my god, I love this hill. Look at it. That car has to go wide. Yeah, like I'm never ever gonna stop riding bikes, yo. Like for y'all who think that I would have stopped, y'all don't know me, yo. Y'all really don't know me. If you hear me talk about bikes, I'll never stop riding bikes, yo. Never stop riding bikes. Did somebody holler out something? Yeah, guys. I'm still being careful. I'm still looking out. All those senses that I had before, they never went away. And just to talk about my accident a little bit. Now watch that van here, yeah. Just to talk about my accident a little bit. I wasn't the one who was wrong, guys. I was traveling at normal speed and the driver just hit me off. I can't wait to show you guys that video, by the way. But it's gonna be some time until I get that, until I can actually show you guys that video. But I wasn't the one who was wrong. I didn't deliberately hit somebody's vehicle and so forth, you know. So it just goes to show that whenever you're on the road, accidents are bound to happen. You're on the road, you're around other vehicles, you're around persons who do not give a damn. You're around persons who don't care. See you a long time, man. You're around persons who don't give a damn about you or your safety, for your safety and your well-being. So you have to make your time on the road count. Watch out for all those who aren't watching out for you. You understand? I realize how I position myself on the road. I see that the car is coming out, I go in the right lane. I'm not taking any chances, bro. I'm not taking any chances. Give me that flag there. Give me that flag there, boy. Full flag that you carry, boy. I think everybody in the yellow and then green. Oh my god. Hey, Jamaica supports Brazil to the max, like 100%, yo. I don't know. Well, I kinda know why. I kinda know why Jamaica supports Brazil so much. It's because of the ties that we have with Brazil, and it's kinda in our history. No, it's not kinda in our, it's definitely in our history in regards to Brazil and support and shit like that. Okay, so here I'm at my first stoplight. And we're still doing all that we've done before. We're monitoring our surrounding. We're checking left, we're checking right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of make a video about that, like whether you should stop in traffic or not. Oh my god, it feels so damn good, bro. The breeze. Oh god. I miss those kind of stuff, yo. Back on the road, you know. Eh? You watch the video them? Respect. What's your name? Jadine? What kind of name that, bro? Yo, big up yourself still. What you say? Respect. Jadine. We just have to take it easy back on the road. Oh my god, it feels so good to be back, bro. I was just joking with his name, by the way, guys. That's why I'm a troublemaker, y'all. If I don't see you and I don't make trouble, something wrong with me. Okay. Watching me now, cause me no want him turn. Me no want him turn and then me force to go left and the vehicle back and me go lick me, you see me? Aye. Straight cross, none. What's up? Yeah, people reach for the work, you know. Thank God some reach safe, you know? Yeah, man.